What's up guys, Marco from Auto Magicians here with another video, this time discussing our bumper repair service. I want to offer you a little insight into how it's done and hopefully answer some common questions along the way. Here at Auto Magicians, we offer bumper replacement, bumper repair, and bumper blends. So first off, a bumper replacement is pretty straightforward. We could source the part from either the dealer or get an aftermarket part from one of our suppliers. For more information on the differences between the two, have a look at our FAQ videos. Bumper repairs are very common here. Some bumpers are worse than others and require more body labor hours, but all repairs follow a similar method. We start by doing any necessary disassembly or removal of the bumper or parts of the bumper, such as grills, fog light covers, moldings, etc. We start work on repairing any minor cracks or tears by plastic welding and adding a backing to strengthen the repair from the inside. We sand the damaged area with a more aggressive sandpaper to remove minor scratches and to prepare the area for body filler. The flex filler is spread liberally to fill in deep scratches and dents. A heat lamp is placed over the area to help harden the filler, and once the filler has hardened sufficiently, our techs meticulously smooth out the repair, sanding and shaping the damaged areas with gradually lighter sandpaper. We apply a primer and do a final sand to finish off the body and get it ready for prep and paint. Depending on the circumstances, we may remove the bumper or paint it on the car. Smaller spot repairs we can paint with the bumper on the body and cover or mask the car. For larger repairs, we may opt to remove and paint it separate. Once the car is masked and prepped, we are ready to begin painting. At Auto Magicians, we only use high-quality products, and our PPG waterborne and wire-based system offers outstanding color match and is one of the industry's best. The unique color of your car is a combination of toners that are mixed together according to the formula laid out in your car's color code. We check for any variations in the color and use the chip that matches best. For more info on our color matching techniques, have a look at our FAQ videos. Our technician starts by laying a few coats of color to cover the primered areas. Most colors require 2 or more coats before we can achieve full coverage. Our tech then begins to float or feather out the color along the panel to even out the repair. Other times, especially with new bumpers, we'll do an even coverage throughout the whole panel and paint it end to end. Once the base is dried, we are ready to spray the clear coat. The clear coat is applied in multiple layers until we've achieved an OEM finish. With smaller spot repairs, we blend or blow in the clear coat and use a blending agent to feather out the finish. Finally, once the paint has dried sufficiently, we water sand and polish any minor imperfections such as dust particles or drips in the clear. Alright guys, that's it for this one. For more information or for a free estimate, please feel free to stop by, send us an email or call. Also, don't forget to check out our website, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all that good stuff. We'll see you in the next one.